Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to talk about the autocomplete function in Scrivener. If you don't know, autocomplete is where you can type a few letters from your word or phrase and then get your system to complete the phrase without you having to type the rest of it. In Scrivener, you need to go into the project menu and select Autocomplete List. Click on the plus and add in your word or phrase. Then, when you go back into your document and start typing, you'll see that a little box comes up underneath where it has the entire word or phrase that you typed in, which you can select by pressing return. If there's more than one word or phrase that starts with the same letters, both will come up. You can then use your down key to select it. Once you press the space bar, it will go away, assuming that you don't want to insert it. This could be useful for those of you who have weird fantasy names in your book that are difficult to spell, or even just normal names that you always get wrong. There might also be phrases that you use, especially in, say, a non-fiction book, that you don't want to have to type every time. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.